Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to install Angular 11, creating an Angular application, and install Angular Material Design in Angular application in Ubuntu 21.04 and Linux properly, step by step. Let's get started. Ensure that you have installed npm, node, and git in your system. If you install this already, then follow this. Now install Angular with this command. Copy this and then use sudo privilege. Okay, hit enter. Now enter your password. And this will take some time to install in your system. Enter your choice. Okay. Now test the installation with this command ng dash dash version. Hit enter. Okay. If you do not configure Git with your system, please configure Git and then create a new Angular application with this command ng new and application name my ng app dash dash strict. Use strict for strict type, then hit enter. If you want to add the routing, select Y, otherwise select N. If you select N, you can add the routing the next time. Now select the style sheet format. Select by arrow key. Okay. Now this will take some time to installing packages using Node Package Manager. Installed successfully and successfully initialized with Git. So navigate to the application using cd command and open this application with any text editor. My case, Visual Studio Code is preferred. Now install Angular Material. Take a look at this official documentation. Copy this inside application. Apply this command. installing packages. This will take some time. Now choose a pre-built theme name or custom for a custom theme using arrow keys. Enter, and then set up global Angular material typography styles and set up browser animations for Angular material. Installing packages. This will take some time. Packages installed successfully and updated 4 files. Packages.json file. See the dependencies added and also other 3 files: angular.json, index.html, and styles.scss. You are done. So Angular material is now configured to be used in your application. Now display a component in your application and verify that everything works properly. You need to import a material module. In this case, material slider module. Import mat slider module. Okay, from Angular material slider. Okay, import module here, mat slider module. Okay, save this file and open app.component.html. You can delete all of this. And add mat slider tag to the component mat slider. Okay, now save this file and run your local dev server using this command in terminal: ng serve dash dash open this will take some time. Okay, Angular application compiled successfully and open in a web browser. and see and enjoy Angular with Angular material. If you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.